Dance. Cebu City Councilor, Honorable Attorney Jocelyn Joy Pesquera. And as Cebu City President, the Honorable Rhea May P. Hagosalem. Our Sangguniang Kabataan Federation chairpersons from the 18 different barangays of the city of Cebu. Our dancing contingent. Contingent number 1, Cluster 11, Bailes de Mananayao. Head of contingent, Honorable Shaina Marie Villabor. Choreographer, Rizal de Ocampo. Dance masters, Rio Ocampo and Julia Lopez. Contingent number 2, Cluster 12, Sambayanihan. Head of contingent, Honorable Ethan Jacob Bamo. Choreographer, Prince Ami. Dance master, Joshua Castalia. Contingent number 3, Cluster 13, Bailes de Trece. Head of contingent, Honorable Yodimil Basamon. Choreographer, Clarissa May Valentino. Dance masters, Van Gemma, Tracy Mac Montejo, Shobat Gomson, and Harvey Barcelona. Samuel. Head of contingent, Honorable Maria Hazel Hama. Choreographer, Dwight Caballon. Dance Masters, Keisha Remedios Ingson, Cliff Campo, and Sean Ray Ilaya. Contingent number 5, Cluster 14, Agrupamento 14. Head of contingent, the Honorable Kim John Olango. Choreographer, Chatu Acosta Bo and Jaron Acosta Bo. Dance Masters, John Lloyd Nadera, Mark Lester Heraldizo, Moises Nunez, and Charlotte Villarico. Contingent number 6, Cluster 8, Pantawan Kabataan Dance Company. Head of contingent, Honorable Nicole Tiffany Adan. Choreography, Joey Chosino. Dance Masters, Marlito Malaloyon, Robert Punay, and Alguen Tumula. Contingent number 7, Cluster 15, Kapili Dance Fusion. Head of contingent, Era Marie Pasilang. Choreographer, Francis Isaiah Deludio. Dance Masters, Clay Jason Deludio and Rica Alferez.